Dal is generally a very simple and easy dish to make, and it's actually a great comfort food. But today I'm going to show you one special dal, that's Sultani Dal, which is very rich and creamy. Let's check out the recipe. So the first step is to pressure cook the Toor Dal. I've taken 1 cup of Toor Dal, that's a 250 ml cup. Wash it. To this add a little salt, some turmeric powder. Add 2 cups of water. Pressure cook on medium flame for about 5 to 6 whistles. Once the dal is cooked, turn off the stove and let it sit for a while till all the pressure is released. Open the cooker. Once all the pressure is released, you can see the dal is cooked perfectly. Now I'm going to transfer the dal into another pot. To this I'm going to add 1 cup of milk and 1/4 cup curd. Make sure to keep the flame on low and stir it. We don't want it to get it burnt. So make sure the curd and the milk is well blended into the dal. Cook it on low flame for about 10 minutes. Now you can see the dal is looking lovely. It's nice and creamy after adding the milk and the curd. Turn off the stove and keep this aside. Next I'm going to make the tadka for the dal. Heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Next add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1 green chilli thinly chopped. Keep the flame on low. To this I'm going to add 2 Kashmiri Red chilies. Next add 1 small onion finely chopped. So once the onions are a nice golden brown color, add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Turn off the stove. Add the ingredients from the tadka into the dal. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. You can check for seasoning at this point. So if you need to add a little salt, you can add. Heat a piece of coal. Pour a little ghee on top. So smoke the dal for about a minute. The dal is ready. You can garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Sultani Dal is a very simple dish, but as you can see, it's a very rich and creamy dish. You can enjoy this with some nice roti or some steamed rice. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.